Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3000 PSI pressure washer. Great for using around the house, on your patio or deck, or in the garage. You can also clean your recreational equipment or remove stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 196cc engine with a flow capacity of 2.5 gallons per minute and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, comfort grip trigger gun, and 4 interchangeable quick connect nozzles: 0, 25, and 40 degrees. This unit also has built-in detergent tanks, as well as a unique low-pressure detergent nozzle and hose specifically for using with different cleaning chemicals and detergents, making this pressure washer as versatile as it is powerful. And the dolly-style body and wheel kit make it easy to transport this unit wherever you need it. Make sure to wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your owner's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the garden hose. Turn on the water source. Pull the trigger to purge the air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 3000 PSI pressure washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
Compact, durable, and portable. The Ryobi 1900 PSI pressure washer is designed for performance and convenience. The telescoping handle and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver. Equipped with onboard storage, choose the turbo nozzle for 50% faster cleaning, or use the soap nozzle and soap tank for a deeper clean. When the job is done, it stores vertically to maximize space. The Ryobi 1900 PSI pressure washer.
Trusted for more than 50 years, Simpson has continued to provide the advantage you need to get the job done. Our products feature industry-leading technology and functional innovation that make your task easier. We make products that are reliable, durable, and built to perform every time you need them. Whether you're a DIYer or an industry pro, Simpson offers an enhanced experience with professional results, guaranteed. Simpson, driven by performance.